Today we're exploring the Wiens Displacement Law interactive calculator, which determines the relationship between temperature and electromagnetic radiation properties. This calculator features a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate peak wavelength from temperature, calculate temperature from peak wavelength, calculate peak frequency from temperature, calculate temperature from peak frequency, calculate peak photon energy from temperature, and analyze color temperature and spectral properties. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Peak Wavelength from Temperature. The wavelength unit dropdown offers nanometers, micrometers, and meters. I'm using nanometers. The input fields include temperature in Kelvin, peak wavelength, and peak frequency in Hertz. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 in the temperature field and click Calculate. The results show a peak wavelength of 289,777.20 nanometers, which converts to 289.777 micrometers. The spectral region identifies this as long-wave infrared, or LWIR. The temperature comparison indicates this is below room temperature, which makes sense given our input of just 10 Kelvin, that's minus 263 degrees Celsius. This calculator is essential for thermal imaging, astronomy, and materials science applications. Find the link in the description below.